Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by targeting a narrow goal. Build 3 small projects in 3 months that reflect real business questions. Learn why Excel, basic SQL, and one visualization tool matter. They let you clean, query, and present data. Start with 1 course and 1 guided project, then switch to hands-on practice for 30 to 60 minutes daily. Once done with a lesson, apply it immediately to your project so you lock in skills. This accelerates learning and keeps momentum high. Now focus on execution. Clean messy data first, missing values, wrong types, duplicates, because analysis depends on accuracy. Learn SQL joins, aggregations, and at least 1 window function. Write 5 focused queries against your dataset to answer business questions. Then design visualizations. Pick the right chart type, add labels and context, and combine visuals into a dashboard. Make sure to iterate, test assumptions, validate results with simple checks, and refine until each output tells a clear story. To finish, craft a concise narrative that highlights headline metrics and recommended actions. Visuals should support that story. Export a PDF report and share an interactive link for reviewers, then ask for targeted feedback. If something breaks, reproduce the issue step by step, check your data sources and query logic, and verify transformation steps. Often the problem is a misformatted date or an unexpected null. Once fixed, document the cause and the fix so you don't repeat the same debugging next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.